In 1879, Thomas Edison patented the first commercially available light bulb, and this invention was one of the most important inventions for modern society. Most people in urban areas of the world cannot even imagine a life without light bulbs, but in the past, torches were the main source of light throughout the night and day. Despite being one of the most important inventions for society, most people still do not know how the light bulb actually works. The bulbs created by Thomas Edison were incandescent, which means they used a system where electrical energy is sent to the filament of the bulb, which is made out of tungsten. Tungsten is a rare metal found naturally in Earth. Tungsten is also a chemical element on the periodic table. Most of the electricity used inside an incandescent bulb is turned into heat energy instead of light energy, which is not very energy efficient. But through many refinements, bulbs today are way more energy efficient than the ones created by Thomas Edison. In 1962, while Nick Holnack Jr. was working for General Electric, he invented the LED bulb. His LED bulb emitted red light, but many other people refined the design and were able to make a white light LED bulb. LED stands for light emitting diode. A LED bulb has a semiconductor material, which is generally made out of a few different metals. When electricity is sent into the semiconductor material, the material emits light because of the excited electrons inside. Using semiconductor metals to produce light is much more energy efficient, as less energy is lost as heat compared to incandescent bulbs, which is the primary reason that most light bulb companies produce LED bulbs now. 61% of the bulbs used around the world are LED. With energy concerns around the use of incandescent bulbs, more and more people are switching to LED bulbs for their energy-saving benefits. LED bulbs are also longer lasting than incandescent bulbs, leading to greater energy savings. Many governments have decided to ban incandescent bulbs in their country due to their inefficient energy use. Furthermore, many countries prefer to use halogen and CFL bulbs, which are different types of technologies than LED bulbs, which are far more energy efficient than the incandescent bulbs. Many people do not want to leave their incandescent bulbs behind because they feel like these past bulbs deserve more credit than we are giving them now. But in the future, more and more people care about energy savings, and the amount of energy wasted by incandescent bulbs is just too much to continue. LED bulbs are considered to be the future of lighting technology just because of how much more energy efficient they are than the other technologies. There is much more to bulbs than I explained in this one video, but I just wanted to let you all have a basic overview of how LED bulbs and incandescent bulbs work, because these are the primary bulbs that most people think about when they think about lighting solutions. There are other types of bulbs like halogen and CFL, but I did not want to go in depth into those two because I believe that LED technology is getting more and more prominent, and I believe that in the future more people will use that technology. So it makes more sense to explain the LED bulbs. Also, incandescent bulbs were the first bulbs, so I wanted to just explain those bulbs in more depth because those bulbs are much more important to the development of the entire lighting industry as a whole. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.